Good morning, respected sir and ma'am. Today, I, Niyati Chandani, with my co-partner Divanshi Mishra, is here to explain our work model. So basically, it focuses on the reuse of the e-waste and focuses on how we can solve the daily life problems.
We have divided our whole model into basically four major parts. First is the water spill detection. Second is overheating protection. Third is the overcharging indicator, and last is the unauthorized login. We have basically tried to picture all the problems which a basic computer user or a basic laptop user faces in his or her life. So we have tried to use all the e-waste such as old motherboards, old CPU fans, metal sheets, and broken keyboards, chargers, batteries to demonstrate a safer alarm system.
So let's talk about the first part. So we can see it's water spill detection. It's a very common problem, like we accidentally spill water on our laptops. So here, if we can see the water is the conductor. So if we complete the circuit, a alarm rings and a buzzer rings. So we can see that water is working as a conductor in this. Now we move to the second part, which is overheating protection. So it's very common that our laptops get overheat or any device get overheat, and it may cause internal damages to the wires and all the mechanisms.
Okay, now moving on to the other two factors, which is overcharging indicator and unauthorized login system. In this, we have used battery and different chargers to connect. Like when the circuit is open, this device is fully charged. When this device is fully charged, and the current stop flowing in this, and the current flows into this charger. Then this is a metal which detects that the current is flowing, and then opens the circuit is open and the light is glowing. We'll show you how the procedure is done. Like the light is glowed when this battery is fully charged.
So now we move to the unauthorized login part. So if someone tries to log in our computer or any device, so it can detect, like we have some keys, we have used old keys, like these are the right keys, and we have shown the mechanism, like we have used a spring in it. So if it pushes, and it has metals, like it has a metal plate, this one, and these are two metal plates. If we push, so the metal plates connect, and we can show, like this will complete the circuit and the alarm will ring. It will alert us if someone is trying to log in it.
Thank you everyone.